Are you going to iron for me? Are you going to iron for me? Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're a good ironer. What else are you going to do? Oh. Yeah, Daddy likes it when you iron his shirts. You going to reach for the sky? What else? What else are we going to do today? Oh, we're going to go in the car? And drive? We're going to go in the big car or the little car? Oh, the little car. Oh, okay. Are we going to get groceries? Groceries. Stay over here, please. Stay over here, please. You're going to fall. Stay over here, please. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I know. You're going to fall. Can you say bye-bye?